Hi everyone. Today we gonna try to solve this problem. So this is the second problem in our problem set. So this is one of the most easiest problem I think, but I provide a problem description here. This problem has a context or a story. So your task is not only try to solve this problem, but also try to analyze the problem. Yeah. So when you read in the problem, you need to identify the key point to translate the problem description to a computational problem. It means a problem can be solved by programming. Okay, so let's move to this example. So the problem says in a celebration of a holiday. So David is attending the game with his friends, and this game has a rule that each player receives a number that contains 5 digits. All right, and a player will win if a summation of all the digits is greater. The biggest one. So what does it mean, the summation of digits? So keep in mind that the problem says this number contains 5 digits. All right. So let me give you an example. For example, we have a number. This is 12,345. So this is a number, but this number contains 5 digits. The first digit, the second digit, the third digit, and the fourth and the fifth. All right. So we have a totally 5 digits. So what next? So the player will win if the summation of all the digits of 5 digits is the biggest one. Okay. So if I give you a number 12,345, you will get the summation of all digits equal to 15. Yeah. Okay. And the problem said you will receive a number in one line, and you need to bring out the summation of the digits. The summation here. Okay. So in here, actually, even though the problem description is too long, but finally, you know that your task is just calculate the summation of all the digits of a given number. Okay. So for example, so we need to calculate the summation of all the digits, but how can we do that? So for example, we have a number here. A number. To calculate the summation of all the digits, we need at least find a way to separate each digit into different variables. All right. So for example, we have first digit. How can we get the first digits to store inside this variable? I will use a way, use the modular operator. So I will show you a demo. If you have this number and you calculate using this modular operator, you will get this number. It's number 5. Okay. Okay. So the first digit will equal to this one. Okay. So after we get the digit out of the number, so we don't need it anymore. So this number 5 is necessary anymore. So we can remove it. All right. So how can we remove number? Okay, keep in mind that if you divide a number by 10. You will see that if we point 5 here. And do you remember, if you just want to get the integer portion and you want to remove the float portion here, how can we do that? Just use this operator. Yeah, that's it. You have it. Okay. So, but you didn't modify the number variable yet. How can we update the value of number by this value? Yeah, it's so easy. We can use equal operator. Yes. So now the number is just 1234. Okay, do you get that? So we will move to the second one. Is number multiplied by number 10. Okay, you have the second is number 4. And we repeat the reverse step. Okay, number, you see that? Okay, and move on. We have the third one. Okay, the third one. And we need to remove the number 3. So we need to remove the number 3 out of the number. Okay, and we have the 4 equal to number equal to number 10. So we have 4 here, and a number equal to number 10. Okay, so we have a number. It's the number 1. So the last digit we will store inside the variable number, so we don't need to repeat this step anymore. So finally, our summation will equal to what? First plus second plus third plus 4 and number. Yeah. So we have the result. Okay. So let's implement this idea. Okay, let's implement this idea. So we need to input a number. Yeah, the cost number. We need to input a number. Enter a number. Okay, but keep in mind that I mentioned before, everything from input statement is a string, so you cannot use it for calculation. So let's convert it into integer number. Okay, that's it. And then do next number. First equal to number. So I will go over this very fast because it's exactly the same what we have done. Okay, so you don't need to try to concentrate on this part. Okay, so we already finished this one, and we will have a total will be equal to first plus second plus 4, and third plus 4 and plus number, and then we need to print out the result. Okay, total okay, that's it. Okay, let's execute the program. Let's enter 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, when we get 15, let's enter 1 2 3 4 6 to see what happened. 1 2 3 4 6. Alright, it's 16. Okay, so that's it. But I want to introduce you another technique to make the program become more clear. All right, so we can apply this one, total equal to 0, and actually you see that the total is equal to the first plus, so we can say that we can try to initialize the value for total is 0, and then we plus to the first one, the first variable here, but the first variable equal to this expression, so we can try total equal to total plus this number, but for short in Python we can use in this notion. This notation is more short, all right? And then the second one, we can calculate using the similar, exactly the same way. Okay. I made a mistake here. Okay, so that's it. So we don't need this expression anymore. Keep in mind that we need to calculate the summation with the last digit. Okay, so let's check. I hope we can receive the correct result. Yeah, it's correct. Okay, so that's it for today, and hope to see you in the next lecture. Bye.